Hello guys, my name is Kaida the Man from Reality Dreams Filmmakers. Today I want to show you how to make any object float in water by using Blender. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click on the bell button so that you get notification when you upload a new video. Thank you so much. Now let us open Blender. Here it is. By default, there is tube. Press X to delete. Shift A to add a plane. Go to the modifier panel. Choose ocean modifier. Go to the resolution. Change it to 16. Go to the size. Make it 1.3. Go to the special size. Make it 63. As you see, now we have detail on our ocean. Now go to the wave. Make the size value 3. Go to the choppiness. Make it 0.52. Yeah, here it is. We have the details. The waves are now very strong, but we need to animate this ocean. Go here on the timeline. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to the time. Press I to insert the keyframe. Go to the last frame. Change the value to 4. And you press I to insert the keyframe again. Now, when you play, you see it is animating. Very, very interesting. So, let us change the frame rate to 30. Yeah. Very, very, very nice. So, press Shift A and add another plane. Press S to scale. Press G and move it up on Z axis. Press G and Z to move it up. Ctrl A to apply scale. Press Tab to go into edit mode. Press W and add subdivide. Go to the panel down and change the cuts to 30. Go down here on data. Go to the vertex group. Add a vertex group. And then you assign. Make sure that the vertices are selected. So, press Tab to go back in object mode. Go to the modifier panel again and choose Shrink. Select the target, our ocean. Now you see the plane is now slinked on the ocean. Yes. Now let us add the object which we are going to use. I'm going to use the tube. Scale it. Move it by pressing G and Z. Try to position it near our plane. You can scale it down. Now here it is. So, in order to make it floating, we are going to shift Ctrl C and apply copy location. When you go here, we are going to select the first remove the empty, and then you select our plane, this one, plane 001. Now you see it is shrink down. It is now think. Wow. So we have to do some settings here. Make offset tick so that you keep our position. Now go here on vertex group and select the group which we created. When we play, we see that it is now floating. Oh, very awesome. But let us try to fix some problem here. By pressing G, move it down. Yeah. Yes. Play again. You see? It is floating. It is floating. Very, very, very nice. So here it is. Thank you for watching. We shall come back in the next tutorial.